Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of blurry on the application of threads. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about the application of threads and you click here in this page. And then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.